and welcome back to Polstead Camping, and we're getting very excited today. It's the 21st of April, not the 12th of April, the 21st of April. On the 12th all the campsites opened. We've hung around and had things to do, so couldn't camp yet, but today we're on the move. Bertie's had a wash, he's had a service, an MOT, the car's just been checked over, and we're already, things are in there, the dogs are champing at the bit, and Sue's standing just there waiting for me to finish this little piece to camera, and then we're going to put the car on the back and disappear to our first trip of the year. Come on, let's get started. Well, we've had a beautiful day here at the Polstead Camping and Caravan Club site. Been sitting on the mat here on the pitch all afternoon. The sun's now going down, and literally in shirt sleeves, you know. Can't believe it, it's just like July. Lovely little sun trap. I'll show you the pitch, and then tomorrow I'll take you for a little walk around the site. Well, good morning and welcome back to Polstead. We're still here at the Camping and Caravan Club site, and we're going to have a little walk around, so let's go and have a look. There's the entrance to the site here, with information room straight ahead. Come through to the back of the site now, and this is an open field here with a children's play area in the centre and camping all the way around it. And this field at the moment is not being used. We're at the early season, and the other fields are being used, and it's nice to be amongst some of the other vans rather than all on your own, although we were given that option. If we wanted to be on our own, we could come through here. The grass is immaculately kept, and everywhere is surrounded in these beautiful trees. Just a hint of noise from the road across the way here, but that wouldn't trouble you too much. Certainly at night it's very quiet, and we heard all sorts of birds this morning as we woke up, and the dawn chorus was very loud. But Sue commented on that particularly. You see the little roadways that separate the fields. Well, as you can see and probably hear, this is a very quiet site. I've had a little walk around the site there. There's quite a lot of people sitting out and reading and enjoying the peace and quiet, so tried not to invade their privacy, and also every word I said could be heard across the campsite. So I have to say it's a very nice campsite. It's one that's only about 20 miles from where we live, and no excuses. I can't understand why we haven't come here before. I really can't. It's beautifully looked after and groomed, and of course we can't use the facilities this week, but that's not a problem when we've got our own on board toilet and shower. So we're going to go off for a day trip now. We'll record that for you, and that will be in our next vlog. So until we speak to you next time, stay safe and see you soon. Bye now.